Hi, this is Steve with Omega Environmental. I'm out at another job site. It was an abatement and demo project for a city. And as you can see, they've done the abatement and we're right in the middle of demo. Just want to give you an idea of what we run into on a daily basis. And actually we found some additional materials over here that are going to need to be abated as well with pipe. So yeah, this is what we do. These are the kind of projects that we get involved in on the daily. They're going to renovate this property, make it into a library, yeah, it'll be servicing the community. So to give you an idea, this is Omega over and out.